Well, hey there, how's it going? Stay with me there, folk. Stay with me now. Stay with me. We're dehydrating a bunch of food for backpacking in Olympic with Levin. I've done peaches, apples, bananas, strawberries, pineapples. There's our pineapples. Gotta put them in the airtight bag. Right now we're doing eggs. Yeah, I scrambled up some eggs. We're gonna see how that goes. But we're off to go see Bryce at his work. He manages an entire sod farm. We're gonna fly the drone around and hang out, check it out. Let's go. We're here, rolling out to do irrigation at Jasperson's farm, sod farm, sod. For all you rich people that need turf, real turf, they got the grass for your ass. That's some soybeans. Oh, here we go. It's a hit. Oh crap. We're gonna get loud. We're gonna pump up the jam. Pump it up. New outside Alliance visors. Check it out. Turn it on.
It's the pivot's processing. I gotta turn it on from my phone.
What's the pivot? That big guy out there? Yeah. If you guys want to know what those sprinkler systems out there in the fields are called, pivots, because they pivot around the field like a merry-go-round. This is the water spray. Here we go! There it is, the main attraction. Built for speed. Look how fast she's going. A solid what? 1 mile an hour, 0.5?
Not even, because it'll stop.
And it goes all around the brown. Got the single shooter. Take your decal of your hand right off, you stick it in the front there. That's how you put out fires. About to drive this, so let's go. We're doing it! Haven't driven like a tractor in years. Well, we got the equipment moved. My first time driving a big rig in forever. Now we're walking back all the way over there.